guys are back with another video. Today I'm gonna be going over a couple of new car audio brands and whatnot. Of course, y'all know I don't go in this in the what do you call it, in the order. So I just don't, you know, it ain't from best to worst or nothing like this. So it's just straightforward with the, you know, what the list I got right here. So I'm looking at my list over here. If I leave any of them out that you believe is a newer brand that I don't know about, or I forgot off the list, make sure you leave down in the comments. But first off, we're gonna start off with Audio Ace. Great brand. I've seen that around quite a few times. Audio Ace. I think they're based out of Missouri or somewhere like that. Yeah, St. Louis area or whatnot. So John and the family is good, you know, good people. So, you know, I've seen a lot of the stuff, a lot of the brands. Of course, y'all see me wearing some of the Audio Ace shirts sometimes. They got some nice merchandise as well. So if you want to go over there and check them out at Audio Ace, I guess it's audioace.com. But I try to leave the links down below if I can. Everything I'm gonna give y'all on the list and stuff like that, I got a link down below. Some of them you can get at a discounted price with a code BASSWITHKEV. So if you're looking for something, make sure you use those codes down below. I'm not charging anymore. It's not charging you anymore to use the code. So, you know, I make a small commission off the back end and whatnot. But anyway, let's keep on going. We got Trinity Audio. That's guess kind of like with Sky High Car Audio. John Ray, nice brand. I see it all the time when I go to shows or whatnot. Scott Dilbeck, I think they got some of it in their build. I don't know if that's SoundCube or Trinity Audio, I can't remember, but I have to go back and look at some of the pictures. But be sure to check out some Trinity Audio. You can pick that up at Sky High Car Audio. Be sure to use code BASSWITHKEV. That'll save you a couple of dollars. And like I say, I earn a small commission if you support the channel. Alright, we're gonna go to the next one. Of course, Trinity Audio, before we get too far, they do have amplifiers as well. These companies, some of them don't only have subwoofers and that's it. Some of them got amplifiers and speakers and so on, you know, DSPs, and you know, just go over there and check it out. I got the links down below. But Down for Sound. Down for Sound has been kind of one of the biggest things this year. I think it's pretty new, I believe. So I think they have some subwoofers coming out around this time. We've been seeing a lot of pictures and or whatnot of the subwoofers that they have coming out. So y'all be on the lookout for that. Use code BWK. It doesn't get you a discount or whatnot, unfortunately, but it does. It's like a referral code. But be sure to use code BWK when you're shopping at Down for Sound. I'll leave the links down below. Of course, y'all seen the amplifiers going around. They do have speakers as well. So, you know, be sure to check out all of that. Be sure to shop at Down for Sound. Check out all of that and see what you might need. All right, Black Diamond Audio. I think that's Big Jeff. Yeah, Big Jeff Audio. I do got a code down there. It's BASSWITHKEV with 2 V's on the end. So if you want to pick up some stuff down there at Big Jeff Audio, he got the Black Diamond Audio. I haven't seen a whole lot of it, but I did see. I think I don't know if P Shizzle had some or not, but I think he did have some of it. I can't remember, but they do make speakers and amplifiers and subwoofers, I believe. So be sure to get over there to Big Jeff Audio and check that out if you want to looking for some Black Diamond Audio. So be sure to check that out. Hopefully we can see a lot of that this coming up here in a lot of the shows. Let's keep on going. Colossal Sounds. Of course, if y'all watch the channel, y'all know I did a test on that. It held up pretty good. It's a well-built subwoofer. It's, you know, got a nice carbon fiber cone and whatnot on it. It's a real nice looking sub. It got a lot of weight on it as well. That's Thomas. I don't know if y'all know, over at Explicit Audio, got some great product. You can go over there and check that out as well. Be sure to use code BASSWITHKEV. You can save some over there as well. And Colossal Sounds, you can save, I don't know, maybe 10% on the sub or whatever you buy at Colossal Sounds. And they always got some good deals going. Be sure to use code BASSWITHKEV. I did like a test on it. I actually ran a South 12 on it for a while. It lasted a while longer than what I thought it was gonna last because I was kind of pushing it. But you know, I did, you know, send it to the moon, but it did what it was supposed to do. So I kind of knew that in the way we knew it. I think he knew it too. So we were just trying to push it and see where we could go with it. But be sure to check that video out as well, and go over there to Colossal Sounds and pick up some nice product or whatnot. So, or you can pick it up at Explicit Audio, and be sure to use code BASSWITHKEV over there to save you a few dollars. Up next, we got Gately Audio. That's Bobby Gately. You can go to, I guess it's GatelyAudio.com. I don't have a code over there, unfortunately. You can go to WC Car Audio and pick that up over there. I think it's over there as well. And Sky High Car Audio. Any one of those, you use code BASSWITHKEV, you can pick up some Gately Audio and get you a discount, save you some money on the purchase. And Bobby Gately makes some nice enclosures as well. So if you want to get over there to Gately Audio, they got a bunch of financing options. Most of these companies that I'm calling out right here, they have financing options available. So if you want to, money's tight, or you just prefer to finance it, and you don't have the money right up front, or you just don't want to spend all the money up front, you finance it and pay it over 90 days or whatever the terms are on the agreement, however you finance it, because there are a bunch of different options you can do to finance or whatnot. So you can definitely check that out. Gately Audio is nice, nice stuff. Seen some at Slam, real nice build, and it was very impressive. So be sure to check that out, and use code BASSWITHKEV. If you shop at Sky High, WC Car Audio, pick up some Gately Audio, or just go to Gately Audio and pick it up, either way. But next we got B2 Audio. Real nice. I seen some of that stuff at Slam, real nice. It doesn't just play nice, it looks nice as well. The white and red subwoofer is a real nice, one of a kind look. I hadn't seen nothing like them. I think it's kind of hard to get a hold of them. I think they sell out quick. But you can pick that up at Sky High Car Audio as well. Be sure to use BASSWITHKEV with that as well. But I don't know what's all in stock, but make sure you check back all the time to see when they get some more back in stock. I know they do have some, but I had somebody else ask me the other day if they have any in stock. I wasn't really 100% sure. So be sure to check out some of that B2 Audio over there. They got some nice amplifiers as well. The Audio Depot, I'm not sure if they're available up and running or nothing like that, but you can check out the Audio Depot as well. Use code BASSWITHKEV over there and pick that up if you want to get some of that B2 Audio. I'm just giving out a few brands. Like I said, this ain't all of them. There's a lot more. I'm just going through quite a few new ones that I know of. It's one called Get Loud Car Audio. I'm not real familiar with it, but I think they're based out of Mississippi. I got to get a little more information about it, but I know it's a new brand. And definitely look that up. I think it's called GetLoudCarAudio.com, I think, but I don't know for sure. But somebody let me know down in the comments. And you got I think it's called Slaps Car Audio or something like that. I'm not really for sure. I may be saying it wrong, but be sure to look that up, check it out. I've been seeing a little bit of it going around. I think that's a new brand as well. I'm sure I'm leaving somebody off, but y'all forgive me for that. Leave it down in the comments if I left somebody off, anybody off. Some new brands that you know of that I may have missed or don't know much about or know of. Leave it down in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, share the video. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one.
You still rolling?
Yeah, you're still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.